Ever wonder how career and education websites help people understand how they make decisions? In this tutorial, we'll show you how Kent State University's Discover Your Decision-Making Style quiz helps users identify their decision-making approach, and how you can recreate a similar interactive experience using Outgrow. Here's how it works. This is the Discover Your Decision-Making Style quiz from Kent State University. It asks users a series of true or false questions about their habits, thought processes, intuition, organization, and how they interact with others when making decisions. For example, the quiz asks, Question 1. I seldom make impulsive purchases. Question 2. I believe in love at first sight. Question 3. I rely heavily on my innermost feelings and intuition when making decisions. Question 4. I find it difficult to work on more than one project at a time. Users continue answering the questions, and at the end, they discover their decision-making style based on their responses. Now let me show you how you can create a similar experience using Outgrow. To get started quickly, log into the Outgrow dashboard and choose a numerical calculator. Once you're inside the editor, head straight to the Build tab. This is where you can customize the questions. In this Outgrow quiz, you can ask questions like, how do you gather information when making decisions? What factors do you consider most important in decision-making? How do you prioritize options when making decisions? What's your reaction to uncertainty when making decisions? What's your preferred decision-making pace? Want to make the quiz more relevant to students, employees, managers, or job seekers? Simply click on any question and customize it instantly. Next, head over to the outcome screen. This is where the magic happens. Instead of simply showing users a score, you can give them a personalized decision-making profile. For example, Outcome 1, the analytical strategist outcome. 2, the intuitive visionary outcome. 3, the collaborative facilitator outcome. 4, the instinctive risk taker. Next, customize the outcome's description. This is where you can explain what each decision-making style means and provide personalized insights. You can create descriptions for each of your other decision-making styles. To make everything feel fully on brand, head over to the overall design settings. Here you can customize your logo, colors, and font. You can also add a lead generation form to collect users' names and email addresses before revealing their personalized decision-making style. Once everything looks perfect, click Go Live. You can share the quiz using a direct link or embed it directly on your website. And that's how you can turn a decision-making assessment, like Kent State University's quiz, into an engaging and personalized experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own decision-making style quiz? Create interactive assessments that help your audience better understand themselves while increasing engagement and generating valuable leads.